Is this what is happening in this country now? Watch this.
You need to redefine miracle. What we call miracle in church cannot give us breakthrough. Lazarus died. Jesus raised him. Is he still alive? It's not sustainable. So when we are talking about Lazarus, we only talk about him as reference. He's not alive. He still died. In 1907, the Wright brothers manufactured aircraft. That is what helped me to come here in 6 hours. If you don't think that is a miracle, something is wrong. Yes. Because the only thing we talk about Lazarus is reference to show God's ability. But the Wright brothers did not only bring aircraft, it has been modified, it has been upgraded, and it has helped humanity more than the testimony of Lazarus. The testimony of Lazarus cannot affect GDP. The raising of Lazarus from the I'm not playing down on that. I've seen the dead raise. Raising Lazarus from the dead cannot affect GDP. It cannot affect the World Bank forecast. It cannot affect the United Nations, the International Monetary Fund. It cannot affect some of those market forces, indices that control the economy. It can't affect it. But because of the Wright brothers, I can leave this a few hours in London. If that is not enough, is Facebook not a miracle? What do you call miracle? You see the way people were falling now, you are happy, pastor is anointed. No. In places, that is what the church knows. Hey, if that is all you know about power, you are behind.
All right, so someone called me and drew my attention to this conversation that is running online, and I think a lot of pastors have responded. If I can,
upload your products and services on findandnow.com so that people go they buy from you plenty.
Now for the record, Verydarkman, shut up. Verydarkman, shut up. You are a manipulator. Shut up. You are a manipulator. That is why I call him God. You don't understand. I dey call him God with my full chest. You don't understand. Proof day. You don't understand. You know the meaning of say they carry murder, peanut for your head. Now only God fit comot that kind of case for your head. You don't understand. Only God would. Anybody who do that kind of thing, you be God. You don't understand. You know the meaning of say thousands of people don't they call you murder. They don't see you buy person. They handcuff you. They even bring proof. Say people confess say that you give them money go buy person. Do you know the meaning of say? Now not be saying ordinary people. It's not just ordinary people. We are talking of the Assistant Inspector General of Police. Assistant Inspector General of Police. Do you know the meaning of that rank? Baba tell you say now you buy person. He go press talk out with your own mouth. Your life don't spoil. No worry. He comes to the country and be like saying that country know the work. One man sit down for inside the office. Begin bring out evidence to prove that the AIG pin more down your head. Do you know what kind of risk is that? Now only God will take that kind of risk for you and I. The risk where Verydarkman they take. Now only God. Now they take that kind of risk. Now he take that kind of risk. He says if you can prove me wrong, set me today. Imagine person don't see money finish. Person don't see fade. They risk his own life. They tell you say, if I lie against the AIG, may they send me go prison. You dey say that person no be God and he prove am. Court come talk say may AIG go apologize. You say no be God. They're supposed to blow your teeth. You say no be God. You say with the overhype am. Can you do it? You go fit risk your life. Even your own case, you be scared of your own case for your own self. They say make I no support am. You must be daft. You know what he mean? You know what he mean? Carry. He don't say person they fight full force. The full police like face. He said the AIG is corrupt. And he prove am.
Download Find Am Now from Google and App Store and upload your products and services so that people will be buying from you sharp. People will see your services and anything that you want to buy around your area. Go to findamnow.com and search for it.
He's using because he's a cousin to Mr. President. He has caused a lot of problem in Osun State.
APC, all they know is not to rig. All they know not to rig. They know they are not popular. Osun, I know you won't go back to that Egypt. You won't go back to those half-salaried years. Oloni Jekari Bio. Opposite of light is darkness. APC in Osun State, they are full of darkness. See the godfathers baking their babies. Ekiti, you see what is going on in my state? My governor is busy building houses for former governors now, instead of working for the people. If you allow this Ambo to win Osun, that is our Osun. They will be using Osun money to maintain leaders so they can hold on to that power. The revolution we are looking for, election revolution we are looking for in 2027 is starting from Osun on Saturday. Defend your votes. Stand gidigba. One day stand will save you from these people coming. I'm telling you, look at Ekiti. No development there. It's government of godfathers. That's why they are building houses for godfathers, former governors. That's why it's not for people. So Osun, do you want to carry your whole account, your money, go give them? Oshewo. And we can see on ground, it's 63%. Leading, 63% clear. So it's for us to stand and defend this vote. Cast your vote, defend your vote. Cast your vote, defend your vote. Don't move. Don't move. And go with your phone. Go with your phones, guys. Any moment you can catch up, let us embarrass them. Let us stop them from rigging our destiny. It is time for us to say enough is enough. We as the people should be able to elect our leaders without someone forcing.
Download Find Them now and upload your products and your services so that people can easily see them and buy from you. Also, anything that you're looking for, go to findthemnow.com. You will see it there. Download the App Store, the app from App Store and Google Play Store.
Now, for the record, this is why I have so much pride supporting Verydarkman. You don't understand? The pride they body, you don't understand? We they swell up for year. I will show that they up. I will show that they up. Shebi, you don't confirm and I say courts don't order AIG Moshood to go and apologize to Ahmed. You don't understand? The pride they here. You don't understand? You don't understand? Verydarkman is who Verydarkman say he is. After Verydarkman and Verydarkman, without Verydarkman, there will not be Verydarkman. You don't understand? He is one of a kind. That's why they call himself God. If you want verse. I want me this video verse for. I'm gonna cry. Where? I see some Twitter influencer, peanut influencer on Instagram and everywhere, paid influencer, say they are supporting AIG Moshood. I can't be now. You don't understand? Meanwhile, we still wait for the panel. Oh, I beg. May they still set up that panel. You don't understand? But like this offense, more fair use what they day first. You don't understand? They don't tell us, go and apologize. You can no longer pronounce Ahmed a criminal in public. And all these videos on and off do, they could go delete them. They're not gonna apologize. You see, you say they get the point now. That's why they say, for Verydarkman go get opinion, me I go get. Why? Cry for me. I don't want to get opinion. I want to cry. Me, I want to cry. Where? He's my leader. He's my president. He's my chemo. You don't understand? In fact, he's my master. Muna. See, I want me this video. Muna, they cry for me. Cry more. You see that Verydarkman, eh? I go use a pepper una for air. You don't understand? I get see the pride day. It dey body. You don't understand? You don't go understand. Don't worry. You know, pride day. When I go learn, no, not be this apple of us day. When I go learn. Shame on those people who don't do a lot of it. I know they see when a video sees all those guys, I know they laugh. I say, see them. After this saga, I go see them when I go end up. So you don't confirm or now, be. Which of your celebrity could do it Verydarkman do so? They don't mess them up.
Upload your products and services on findthemnow.com. Download the app on Google Play Store or App Store. Or go to findthemnow.com. Upload your goods and services, your products so that you'll be selling. Also, anything that you want, Go and search for it in findamnow.com.